Uncontrollable SpaceX rocket to have a collision with the Moon. According to scientists, a SpaceX rocket has been speeding through space for over 7 years and is now on a collision path with the Moon. An interplanetary mission to carry a weather satellite 1 million miles into space was the initial purpose of the booster's launch from Florida in February 2015. A lengthy run with its engines completed, the rocket's second stage was abandoned after it sent the NOAA Deep Space Climate Observatory into orbit to the so-called Lagrange point, 4 times further than the Moon and in line with the Sun's path of zero gravity. According to a recent article on Ars Technica, meteorologist Eric Berger said that at this point it was too high to return to Earth's atmosphere, but also too low in gravity to break out of its orbit around the Earth-Moon system. In a few weeks, a 4 metric ton rocket is expected to collide with the Moon at a speed of around 2.58 kilometers per second. NASA's Bill Gray says the Falcon 9's upper stage will likely reach the far side of the Moon on March 4 near the equator. According to a blog post by the data analyst, the object flew near to the Moon on January 5 and will have some influence on the planet on March 4. In addition to the unexpected effects of sunlight on the rocket and the uncertainty in determining rotation times, the precise location of the rocket's impact remains a mystery. These unforeseen consequences have a minuscule impact. Gray stated that more observations were required to pinpoint the exact timing and position of the impact, which is expected to occur between now and March 4. Gray predicts that the crash will go unnoticed from Earth's perspective. According to Harvard University astronomer Jonathan McDowell, the effect is expected on March 4 but is not a major problem. Astronomers think the collision might provide crucial information. According to Gray, a lunar impact is more likely, but Berger feels that subterranean debris released by the rocket's collision may be seen.